I want to share a quick story with you that I think will address whether or not AI is going to replace our own expertise or perhaps even dumb us down. I firmly believe that AI is not going to replace true expertise, but I do believe that AI is going to replace those who don't embrace the concept of AI and start using it in their business. And here's why I believe that. I recently introduced AI to my son Logan, who is doing some marketing on a part time basis. For years, I have wanted one or maybe even both of my boys to catch that entrepreneurial bug. And I think I finally see that a spark has been lit in Logan. We were chatting on the phone yesterday, and several things popped out of that conversation that I know others are probably thinking or that they need to know when it comes to AI. So I thought I'd share this story with you or relay a few things from the conversation that's pertinent anyway. Logan said something while we were talking. He's like, this AI stuff is amazing, but it's kind of scary too. He's like, is it going to make me dumber? And basically, he was asking, is it going to replace his ability to think? And I believe the answer is a absolutely resounding, big old fat no. In fact, I believe AI, if used correctly, encourages us to think. It encourages us to really be creative because without your creativity, without your unique business goals and creative direction, AI is absolutely worthless. It's garbage in, garbage out. You and AI are creative partners, co creating amazing work together. And without your true expertise and you iterating or providing frameworks to AI, you're going to be in a sea of sameness. Your content is going to look like everyone else's. So you have to bring your creative expertise to the table. Another nugget that came out of our conversation, Logan said, I feel like I can do things now that I didn't know that I could do before, or AI gives me the confidence to do those things. And I absolutely agree. For example, most of us are not copywriters, right? In the past, we've struggled to create sales copy for a sales page. And now, with the help of AI and your creativity, your business details, you can write high converting sales pages. Like in the past, like you might not have even tried that, or maybe you've paid thousands of dollars to have someone else write your sales pages for you. Or maybe, and this is the worst part, you've thrown in the towel because that's not your zone of genius, right? But when you combine your genius, your expertise, your business details, and match it up with AI's abilities, magic things happen. You bring the big vision, and AI makes it a reality by instantly generating amazing content for you. But the key truth that I really want you to take away from all of this is that AI is not smarter than you. One without the other is going to lead to mediocre content. In fact, I think that's what's already happening. 91% of people who are using AI are using it at a baseline. They are not bringing their own genius or their own creativity to the table, which means that that content that they're creating is again a sea of sameness. It's like everyone else's. But when you really join hands with AI and bring your strategic thinking and AI's ability to synthesize information, it creates a win win scenario. AI eliminates our excuses by making incredible marketing finally achievable. So don't fear that AI is going to replace you. Embrace it as your co creator, enhancing your strengths while executing on your creative vision. And the best part, faster than ever before, AI is not your replacement, it's your partner in success.